Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use your old laptop's internal hard drive as an external storage with your Mac or MacBook, so you can move your data from your Mac to the external storage or basically archive your data, because you know the storage on Mac is much expensive, and if you have a hard drive lying around, this is a cheap alternative to archive your data. So how you can use it as an external storage device, let me show you. For this you are going to need the following things. First of all, your Mac or MacBook. Secondly, your 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. So I got it from my old Dell laptop, and this is a 2 terabyte hard drive. Basically it should be a 2.5-inch hard drive, and we can use it as an external hard drive. If you have a 2.5-inch SSD, it can also work. Lastly, you need an enclosure. So basically this is a 2.5-inch external hard drive enclosure from UGREEN. You can buy it from any brand. The main thing is that the hard drive will go inside it. We will have a cable connect one end with the enclosure, and the other end will be connected to our Mac. So in order to open this enclosure, it's pretty simple. You're going to slide it backward. On the inner side you have the SATA connectors where we're going to connect our hard drive, so it's just simply going to slide in. Different enclosures may have different way of doing it. Once it is seated properly, we're going to close it. And if you're interested in the unboxing video and complete details of this enclosure, a box will appear right here. Once that is done, you're going to take the cable that comes with it, connect it, and the other end will be connected to our MacBook. Here you can see this is a USB type A connector, so it cannot connect with our Mac because it has a type C port. So we're going to use this simple USB type A to type C connector, and I'm going to plug it in with my Mac. You can see we have this blue indication light, meaning that it is working. Now we need to do some things on the Mac for it to actually read the hard drive and actually copy and paste data. On your Mac or MacBook, once the hard drive is connected, you cannot see it directly because we need to initialize it first. And before I do that, I highly recommend that if you have any data on your internal hard drive, first of all back it up, because once we are going to initialize it on the Mac, all the data currently present on that external hard drive will be removed. So before you take it out from your old PC or laptop, make sure to back up your data first. Now in order to initialize it, click on command space and type disk utility. Open it. By default it will show you your Macintosh HD, which is the actual storage of this MacBook, so we will not do anything with it. In external you will see something like this. So in my case I am seeing my external hard drive. If you are not seeing it, make sure your enclosure is correctly connected with your laptop. If it is still not showing, try using another port. So in my case this is the one. You can see it is uninitialized and the total capacity is 2 terabyte, which I know. So now what we are going to do is to click on the erase button. Again, if you have any important data, make sure to back it up first. I know I don't have any data in it, so I am going to click on erase. We are going to give it a name. After that click on format, and we are going to select the option exFAT. We will select this because this format works on both Macs and on Windows, so you can use your external storage with Windows and with Mac. After that click on erase. It has started, and now you can see it is completed. Click on done, and we're going to close it. And now on the desktop you actually see the external storage device as well. If I open it, obviously it will be empty because we have no data inside it yet. And you can see 0 items, 2 terabyte available. And now if I move any file from my Mac to my external storage device, you can see it is copied. Obviously the speed will depend on your external hard drive, the enclosure, and if you're using an SSD it will be much faster. If you're interested in that, a box will appear right here. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.